Now let's look at the other point, which has been called as getting local. Now mobile is a device which has been used in personalized device, and mobile is also been called as a local device. Now according to the survey which has been done by the leading service provider, approximately 78% of local searches conducted on mobile phones are getting converted into the person going ahead and buying the product by using the mobile phones. It also mentions that the humans are not only the visitors, but humans are also the consumers who book the product from the mobile phones. Let's assume that you're booking a product by using makemytrip.com, which is a portal that books the online ticketing tool. Instead of using the web application, you have booked the ticket by using your mobile applications. So we can say that machines too are visiting. That is, inside the machine there is something called as a search engine crawler, which is being used for your site, which are been looking for your own design elements so that they can properly assign a score to your site and rank it properly. Now let us consider the example of Amazon. We are aware that Amazon has a listing of different products which have been listed by different vendors onto the site's page. Now if a particular site, like we have, let's assume that 10 companies who have listed the mobile phones for selling it on Amazon. Now if the mobile company number 5 is doing good, analytics is being prepared and that has been shared with all the other 9 companies, stating why mobile number 5 company is doing good. So this is being called as mobile analytics, which is being shared on daily basis with the vendors by Amazon. And this is only possible because the search engine is crawling at the back end. Now let's look at the other feature, which is being called as listing. The listing mainly prefers to detail about your business. What is your business? How many competitors you have in the business? What are the different products? For this, you can have a website of a mobile application like indiamart.com, which will actually give you the number of competitors in your business, and it will give you your business listing also. Now this site has a extensive research because of the services used by consumers, including Yelp, if you are having a Facebook page, Yahoo, Bing, City Search, Foursquare, White Pages, and many more. For example, let's consider the second example. A recent study by Placeable found that 73% of consumers surveyed said they will lose trust in a brand when the online listing shows incorrect information. Now this is the tagline which is being used by Amazon, where they say that we sell only those products which have been shown onto the screen. We do not sell any other products which are not shown onto the screen. So if you're showing a brand value of one of the product and the specification of some XYZ product, definitely the faith of the consumers are lost on such sites. Secondly, when we say that local advertising, apart from your website, how many other websites are focusing the URL of your website? For example, apart from advertising on Amazon.com, you have a separate page on Facebook where it is being used by the consumers to land up to your own web page. That is being called as local web advertising. There are different companies which are paying a huge amount on local advertising, like Yuppie.com, where you will find a Facebook page being prepared by the company. Secondly, a pop-up which comes directly for the local advertising. Now what is a mobile application? The applications which can be opened by using a mobile phone is being called as mobile applications. These applications are being used only in the case if your mobile is a smartphone. That is, if your mobile is a WAP enabled phone. Secondly, you are able to access internet by using the World Wide Web. It also says to a tagline that always available no matter where you are, World Wide Web. Mobile apps are just a fad. This is a big question mark in the minds of the different consumers. There are some statistics which reveal about the truth of mobile application. The first statistic states that mobile data traffic is growing by 129% per year. The smartphone sales has increased to 58% per year. The tablet, which are WAP enabled, have started the growth rate of 50% per year. Secondly, the laptop use growing at 17% with associated mobile traffic. On the same time, it is growing at 48% per year. For proving this, let us look at the current example. Now, in the current example, you will find that a mobile phone, which is an Apple mobile phone, and they are selling Domino's Pizza on the Apple mobile phone, and they have asked you to download Domino's Pizza app in Apple phone. Now, it has been found that when you use a simple menu and ordering mobile application for iPhone, Domino's drove 2 million in additional sales to their Australian stores within 3 months and expects 50% of their sale to come from mobile application within the coming 3 years. So companies have started shifting towards mobile application as compared to the normal website. Promoting and marketing your mobile application. First of all, plan ahead. Now, before going ahead, let us look at the example of Uber. Uber had a set of customers where it had sent a link so that the customers can download this link, and they had asked the customers to share the link with 3 other different customers so that they can get a value of 1,000 rupees in their wallet, so that if they are traveling by Uber taxi. Now, this became a chain indirectly, and many people downloaded Uber app for booking taxi. Now, this is where you say that you are using existing customers' touch point as much as possible, and you are also rewarding the people for downloading the application. Secondly, when the people are downloading the application, you can also look into like how will you pitch the people to use your application and review your website simultaneously. And you also need to be as an app store optimization. For example, you keep on customizing your mobile application with new product, you add products, you delete the products, you update the color of your application, mobile application. This means that you are optimizing your application store. Secondly, the social media like Facebook, Twitter, and so on are being used as a tool for marketing. The other tools that can be linked are Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn.